Okay guys, we're moving right along. We're going to start section 1.2 now, which is all about estimation and rounding. So we're going to start with the first section, which is just rounding. So today's objective, there's the three here, but we are just going to be focused on rounding numbers given a level of accuracy. We basically need to know how to round or make sure everybody's 100% with rounding before we even move on to any estimation. Alright, the biggest thing with rounding numbers is this information right here. Now there's plenty of more number places than this, but make sure you have them. Now if you get confused where the number place is at, write this down, print it off, do whatever you need to do to keep it in your notes so you guys can use this. Alright, so rounding numbers, here's the rules. What you need to do is locate the place value digit of the number that is being rounded. So if we're trying to round to the hundreds, we're going to find the number that's in the hundredths place. Here the place value chart shows the whole number decimal. So we got to find out what number we're going to either round, either up or leave it as it is. Next, if the digit to the right of it is a digit 0 through 4, so 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, do not change it. If the digit to the right of it is a 5 or 9, so 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, add 1 to it. So we bump it up to 1 plot. Then what we need to do is round the decimal numbers and drop off all digits to the right. So if we go through, we might have to put some zeros in, or we might just have to end the decimal there. Now let's go through a couple examples. Alright, so we're going to round each number to the given place value. So the first one, we got 7.328. We're going to the ones place. Well, 7 is in the ones, so we look to the right of 7 is a 3. So that means we're going to keep the 7 the same, so we leave it as 7. Now, everything to the right of it is going to be zeros, and if a 0 after a decimal does not need to be there, so the answer is just 7. Alright, next one, we're going to the hundredths place. So we got 15.683. So we look, that's the tens. The 8 is the hundredths place. We look to the right of it. The right is a 3. Just like before, we're going to leave it the same. So we got 15.68. Everything to the right of it would be a 0. And any zeros after the decimal do not need to be included unless they're in between numbers. 32.4817 to the tenths place. The tens, TH, so that means the 4. Now we look to the right of 4 is an 8. That's a 5 or higher. So that means we're going to bump that 4 up to one place. So everything to the left of it stays the same. That 4 becomes a 5. And anything to the right of it becomes a 0, which we don't need after decimals. Alright, the last one. 0.047812 to the 10,000s place. So let's find it out. We got tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s is the 8. We look to the right of it is a 1. Don't need to change anything. So we're going to put 0.047. The 8 is not changing. Everything to the right of it becomes a 0, which we don't need. There we go. Alright, biggest thing is make sure you guys take your time. The biggest mistake is just finding the wrong number place. You guys pretty much know what you need to do during this. Alright, good luck on the homework, and good luck on the next couple sections.